In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install OpenShot Video Editor. OpenShot is a free open source video editor that's great for trimming clips, adding titles, and building polished videos without a steep learning curve. We're going to keep this simple and follow the exact steps to get it onto your computer quickly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and going to openshot.org/download. This is the official download page, so it's the best place to get the latest version. Make sure you're on the correct site before proceeding. Going directly to the address helps you avoid ads or misleading links. Once you're on the page, click the download button. Your browser will begin downloading the installer. The file size can take a moment to come down depending on your internet speed, so let it finish completely. You'll usually see the progress at the bottom of your browser or inside your downloads folder. When the download is done, open the file from your browser's download tray or from the downloads folder on your computer. The installer will launch and first ask you to select a language. Choose the language you prefer, then click OK to continue. Next, you'll see the license agreement. This is the standard open source license for OpenShot. To move forward, select I accept the agreement. If you'd like, you can skim the terms, but accepting is required to install. Click Next to go through the setup screens. You'll be prompted to confirm a couple of default choices, such as the installation location and shortcuts. For most users, the defaults are perfect, so just click Next again to accept them. Keeping the defaults helps avoid path issues and ensures everything goes where OpenShot expects it to be. When you reach the summary screen, click Install. The installer will copy the necessary files to your computer. You'll see a progress bar, and this can take a minute or two depending on your system. During this time, avoid closing the installer or restarting your computer. When the installation completes, you're done. You should see a confirmation that everything finished successfully. At this point, the setup has placed OpenShot on your system with the choices you confirmed. If you plan to explore right away, you can look for the new shortcut in your applications or Start menu later on. If your browser flags the download or your system asks for permission during the process, that's a normal security check. Just make sure you started from the official site. And if the download seems slow, a stable internet connection and a bit of patience usually do the trick. That's it. OpenShot is now installed. Enjoy creating your next video.